the wire, the toothpick, so many things. Now, Madam Taran Preetkar is ready to give more details about today's class. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to this session. Smiling in Japan. Thank you. We cannot hear you, ma'am.
She's muted. Please wait.
Hello?
Yes, now it's okay, ma'am. Smile evening, smile welcome. Now you're
Smile.
audible.
Okay. Smile evening, everyone. This is Taranpreet Kaur,
Good
live
evening, madam.
designer.
Good evening.
I love to inspire people and feel that life is by choice and not by chance. One can design his or own life and find passion in helping the same. So today's session, let us start with a small clap, the energy changer. Wanting to start this clap. Excuse me, just give me 2 minutes. I don't know where this will stop. Something.
Ma'am, kindly unmute, madam.
Okay, smile evening, friends. Actually, I wanted to make you all to hear one very nice music, but clapping is a very nice thing. Whenever is somebody is feeling low or less of energy, just do clapping. Clapping is really helpful to reboot your energy. So, friends, a battle is going inside all of us, and it is a terrible fight, and it is between two wolves. One is evil and other is good. The evil is anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false, superiority, and ego. And other is good: love, joy, humility, peace, hope, sincerity, kindness, empathy, generosity, compassion, and faith. We all have this kind of emotions in us, and it is very necessary. Sometimes we need anger, sometimes, you know, resentment is also necessary so that you can do good in life. But all these emotions, if they are in balance, then the person is fit and healthy. One day, one grandfather, he was giving lecture to his son, He was just trying to explain a lesson and was telling that each one of us have a wolf, and it is on us, like, which wolf will win. So the little grandchild, he asked the grandfather, which wolf will win? So the grandfather replies, the one you feed. So friends, it is in our hand that which wolf you want to feed. That will only get more fat and then trouble you with any of the emotions you have fed the wolf. So Professor Park, in his last, I must say, this is the latest therapy he discovered, smile. When he found out that on many occasions, people were not recovering, and he thought that something was missing. And I, as a therapist, feel that sometimes we forget the smile. When we forget to smile, we don't get the results. And if you are smiling, your smile itself starts a healing therapy for the patient who comes, because your energy is balanced. So the person who comes in contact with you naturally comes to balance. If you get involved, we don't have to be involved with the patient who has come. If we keep a smile on the face, because each one of us are facing some or the other challenge in the life, and with those challenges, we are managing our life. And we are blessed to have such therapies to balance ourselves. But when you are in balance and you are in smile, the person who comes to you, he definitely gets that vibes and he is in balance. And he is assured that I will get cured. So it is very good that if you keep smile, he will get another assurance from you that something is good about this therapist. So we should not forget the smile and indulge ourselves in some smile meditation. Smile meditation civilization has started a 3 minutes meditation at 9 p.m. I think everybody should join that meditation just for 3 minutes. It will be very good. And when I was very excited, when I did smile and really found my energy shift, because I have done lot of research on spirituality and I have done number of courses, but I did not find a more quick method, I must say, than smile. And I was so excited about it that I Googled also actually what happens when we smile. And to my, amazement, I must say, I found out that we use 300 facial muscles to make one smile. And that smile creates happiness signal in our brain, which releases dopamine and serotonin. And that sends a happy signals to our body and our body regenerates. So each cell, because our body is having many cells, it is not that all the cells are dying. Every time some cells are dying and new ones are coming. So even if we send a smile to one cell, because each cell of the mind has a full consciousness, body, mind, soul, everything, that life, all four things are present in one cell. That is beautifully proven by Professor when he gave the hand correspondence, then he gave insect correspondence, and then he gave mini correspondence. When I went to the course, I said, how it is possible? It is so surprising. It is a clear indication that if you treat a single cell with a smile, the body can smile. So it is your consciousness, how you develop it and how you inspire the person who comes. And we should always inspire the patient that the smile in his hand and he can cure himself only through smile. Smile means there has to be smile change in the diet, in the mind, thinking, and in their exercise. Because professor has given everything. We all know Samvong Gong, Samvong Dong, then smile yoga, smile tai chi, everything professor has given. It means what? That to maintain a balanced life, we should be taking care of all areas of our life, which is very, very important. So, dear friends, I would also like to tell you, like when you see the deities, a small child when it is born with full smile. And whosoever goes in front of the child, automatically you get a smile. Why? Because it is a pure smile. And as the child grows, when the child gets to know about all the qualities like, saying lies, greed and everything, then slowly, all the emotions and everything starts changing. I would like to tell each one of you that we must inspire the pregnant women who are expecting mothers and who are about to become parents, they are planning. We must tell them that how much their life inspires the new baby. And so many children are suffering because of the parents. So I have got innumerable cases when a small 5-year-old child had come to me, the mother had come for the eyes problem. And I straight away asked her, how was your pregnancy? And she was like, she started crying because the small girl, she was wearing the power of 8, -8 and -11 at such small age. And when I asked the mother, she said that, yes, I used to cry in my full pregnancy. And I used to always say also that my eyes would not get bad. I cry so much. But she was worried of her own eyes that time. And she got a child who had eye problem. In a seminar also, I met a lady who had twins. And her husband used to hit her during the pregnancy. And now, when both the parents have come to know that because of this problem, they had disabled children, the husband regrets so much. He cries. He repents that if somebody would have told me this, I never would have done this. Because he was so excited to become a father, but not realizing how much the emotions have an impact on the lady. We should always be taking care of the lady because she is a backbone of the house. And whatever emotions she has, the whole house has that kind of energy. So we should always try to make her happy and see that the parents of the house are in a good mood and relationship, because it has a big impact on the children. I have been counseling in the school, and many children used to come and complain about their parents, the expectations they had from their parents. The parents, they had expectations from the children. So we should always take care. If we want to build a cupboard in our house, we will look for a carpenter. We will not ask the maid servant to design our cabinet. Same way, if some parts our children are more educated and more knowledge than us, we should respect it. Okay? So I will like to discuss today the energy distribution in the body. and how we can transmute the energy. Because as a law of physics, we cannot destroy the energy. Neither we can destroy, neither we can create. We can only change the form of energy. For example, if you have lot of fear, we cannot remove the fear from your system because it is an energy and it will stay there. We can only change the form of fear, what we are doing by different methods. So how we will change the form of fear? We can convert it into confidence. We can change the form of sadness. How will we change? We can change it into joy. We can change the form of anger and turn it into modality, So all of these things we have to do only by changing the form of energy, because we just cannot destroy it. So this is a very, very simple and an easy way. Yesterday we saw how we were changing the energy. And everybody should keep the things ready with them to help anyone at any time. Okay. Yesterday I had shown the palm leaf and we did many examples, and yesterday only people have tried it. Yes, one discomfort of the leaf is sometimes it is not handy, and sometimes when we keep it also, it sometimes get dried up. So in that way, wires and toothpick are more handy to carry with you. So I would advise everyone that they should at least make 50 pieces of a wire. A small wire piece you can take and you can make into small pieces. And you should always, the newcomers should always carry that with a small tape, so that anyone who needs help, you should be ready to help in any emergency. Okay. So now we'll be sharing some new things with you. Before that, friends, I would like to announce my upcoming workshop. One workshop is on clarity, to release all the stuck energies. This workshop will be for 2 days. 90 minutes I have written, but it will be more than 2 hours. And energy exchange is 1100 rupees. And this is a special price given for this seminar. Otherwise, I charge 5,000 rupees, and already people have booked on this clarity workshop for 5,000 rupees. Another workshop is Master Your Life. This is also a 2-day session for 2 hours. And energy exchange I have kept for 1100 rupees, so that you all can all join in and understand life and become masters of your life and able to release all the stuck energies by what we are sad and disbalanced in our life. So yes, dear friends, let's start with our today's chapter, palm leaf. This is the palm leaf. Yesterday people were asking, so this is the plant. So do you all want me to repeat the slides, or you all are clear?
No, complete today's session. If necessary, we will repeat.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. So the first thing I would like to tell, we can remove this. I can stop this share. Okay. You can make me on the.
You know everything now.
Hanji?
You seems to be knowing everything. Now it's stopped.
No, I don't want to share the screen now.
No screen. You are only visible.
Okay. Am I visible?
Yes, madam. Please go on.
Okay, but I'm not in the main this thing, no? Spotlight.
Yes, madam. You are spotlight. You are only visible.
Okay, I don't know, something went wrong with my system.
We could
Okay,
only see you.
Yes, sir.
We could only see you.
Okay, okay. I just don't know what has happened.
Please proceed, madam. We can see you.
Okay. Okay, so now how to distribute the energy? Okay. Now, if some patient has come to you and he is having problem in the lower left side, okay, if lower left side is a problem, what we can do is we can shift the energy from lower side to the upper side. Okay, so how we can do that? Lower side means leg, so we can use the long finger. Okay, the right, the left hand, left finger will be, middle finger will be left leg. So we can put one piece of palm leaf or a toothpick or a wire, anything, and we can adjust the leaf so that the patient gets relief. Okay, the patient gets relief maybe 40%. Okay, maybe the patient says that I am feeling 40% better. So what we can do next? So what we can do next is we can put another wire on the index finger so that the energy is distributed from low to up or up to low. Whatever it is required that time to harmonize, that will happen with that energy flow. So what we have done, maybe after that, the patient feels 100% better. Okay. So this is one way of distributing the energy from high to low or low to high. So what will happen is, whatever it is required, whether the energy is deficient in the leg or excess, it will adjust from top to bottom. This is one area of up to down or down to up. Another thing what we can do is, if the person is feeling uncomfortable on the left side of the body, okay, so we can just take the thumb and we can put a wire, a stick, or whatever we want to use. We will put it over here. We will flip, check how the patient is feeling. Maybe we have to wait for some time, a minute. If the patient says, yes, I'm feeling good, then we can leave the or whatever we have used the wire over there, and then we can wait for some time, maybe 5 minutes. And if the patient says that I am better 50 to 60%, okay, but we want 100% result. So what else we can do? What we will do is, we'll take another hand and we will put the wire over here on the first joint, and again we will check. So maybe when we apply, the patient says my pain is increased. Okay, so then we can again flip and then we can leave it for some time, and then what will happen is energy will balance from left to right side of the body. So maybe in some time it is 100% relief. Okay, same way like we used on the front side, we can use in the back side also, the yang portion. If the problem is on the back side of the leg, in the yang portion, then we will put on the back side of the middle finger. Same way, middle finger, back side, we will apply one piece of leaf, and then we'll wait for the patient to respond. If the patient is feeling good enough. If not, again we will turn the leaf, wait, and if the patient says yes, I am better, then we can add another piece in the index finger yang side, so that the energy gets distributed from top to bottom and bottom to top. Whatever they have to do, they will do the give and take. Okay, and the body will get balanced. Same way, now if we can also distribute it towards this side. If suppose this middle finger I have taken, I can also take another middle finger to get 100% relief. So these are the ways we can try. Okay. Thumb is the most powerful, yin or yang. It is most powerful because see, yesterday we discussed the joints have maximum of energy. And we all know 90% problems are psychosomatic and they are all coming from the mind. So when we are touching the first joint of the thumb, we are touching the brain. Okay. And as a spiral energy always flows like, it is covering the thumb. So don't think about up, down, left or right. Every time you should start from the thumb. And then using one thumb from yin side, then yang side, then you can use another thumb from yin side, yang side. We can even apply 4. We can apply 4 pieces. Okay, it is our way of doing it, like how much improvement we want. Sometimes we get result in 1 application or 2 applications or 3 applications. We can do as many. Okay. I also wanted to share that we had wonderful results from apple peel also. So you can try apple peels because as it is, apple seeds are giving very good results for constipation. And apple seeds are giving very good results on energy points. I had a very, very critical patient whom I just gave apple seeds on the energy points. Before that, he was applying colors and normal seeds, but the result was not so amazing. But I happened to read a professor's magazine and I saw in that they had used apple seeds. And that person was in America. And they applied the apple seeds and they got very good result. So when the chronic patients are there, when you feel that you can't help them much as newcomers, we should always try to give them energy points. And it is really good. So we can also keep energy. We can also keep the leaves on the energy points. We can use small pieces on yin and yang. It will also be giving a very good result because energy, leaf itself has a life force energy. Okay, so it will be very nice. Now, I would also like to tell you, somebody has asked for reusing the leaf. Yes, we cannot reuse the leaf. We should not use reused seeds. We should not use reused leaves. But wires or magnets, they can be reused. It doesn't matter. Okay. So wires can be reused. Even toothpick also, I normally avoid, but yes, that can also be reused. But you should not be using the same person's wires or toothpick. You should avoid because it is either way, it is very inexpensive. So you can do that. You should not use each other's. Normally, we should not use the magnets also, but people are using, then we should wash them and then dry in the sun, and then we should be using for the patient. We should not be, because energy transmits. So we should try to avoid it. And dried leaves cannot be used. Dried leaves cannot be used. Fresh leaves are best, but we can always keep the fresh leaves in the refrigerator and use them as required. Okay. And other thing people had asked about. Yes. So now I think if anybody wants any question, and it can be an interactive session now, so that the doubts are clear.
Shall I open?
Yes, sir.
Shall I open participant?
Yes, I think we can, sir, because this is a class of interactive. Then only we can learn more. and I can be able to solve the issues.
Chinmay.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. My name is Chinmay, ma'am. I'm from Hyderabad. Actually, ma'am,
Okay.
from 3 years, I'm just suffering with eczema, ma'am. Skin problem I have. So I have taken tablets, and this is a season for the. I have a dry skin also, very dry skin and eczema. So can I show the
Eczema.
figure, ma'am?
Eczema. Actually, I
Eczema,
can't
yes,
see
ma'am.
anyone.
Eczema.
Okay, it
I
is
have,
eczema.
ma'am.
No? Eczema is a skin problem. Okay. What is
Dry
your good name?
Chinmay, ma'am.
Chinmay. Yeah, you messaged me also. Okay, Chinmay, you messaged me also, beta. Actually, see, eczema is lot of sadness is there. Okay. So
Ma'am.
bring smile in your life. Attend my Wonder Word session. Okay.
Ma'am. Dry
And
skin, ma'am. Dry skin, can I know, ma'am, for the dry skin?
dry skin, yes, you do that, whatever we have explained you. You choose that area and you apply leaves
Mhm.
over there. Okay. And you will start seeing the difference. And also use energy points. Okay, use energy points, use the correspondence of this area, and use leaves on that area directly also. Directly in the sense in the hand correspondence. So use hand correspondence, use insect correspondence.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have every month I have a face pimples and black spots, ma'am. After completing the eczema, I have a dark spots, ma'am. Dark spots in the face and pimples. We can cure, ma'am, with this leaf, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You for pimples and all, you use aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant on your thumb.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
And express yourself more. You are keeping all the anger and all the sadness inside. Okay, beta. Talk to someone who are you are close to you,
I'm
and
more talkative also, ma'am. Actually, I'm more
then you
talkative.
should
I'll
you
express
see.
everything.
Talkative people are more sad. You know that. To hide their sadness, they talk more.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. So that we can dark spots also will remove, ma'am. After come a pimple, the dark
Yeah.
spot will come, ma'am. More dark spots in my face.
Okay.
That
You
is-
contact me. I have beautiful face clearance. This thing I don't want to share the pictures because I don't want people don't like. But I have got excellent result in clearing the face with color therapy. Okay.
Thank you. Can I know
And
when can I call you, ma'am? At what time I can call you when you will be free, ma'am?
anybody, please, it is a request, please don't call. Today also I got many calls, but it is very difficult to answer the calls. I would be very happy to reply you all, but please WhatsApp. Please WhatsApp, take an appointment, and then I'll get back to you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am. Good
Thank you.
evening, ma'am. Ma'am, today only I tried your this thing therapy, and it gave me amazing result. Thanks a ton. God bless you. And ma'am, then I wanted to ask you the treatment. Like my body remains hot a bit, but then I cannot tolerate the heat of the cool air of the cooler or the AC in extreme heat also. And
Okay.
I feel like sitting with the fan off, and I'm sweating profusely, so
Okay.
I can't understand this. And moreover, I am experiencing sciatic pain and thyroid also I have. So what should I do for this?
See, you balance your yin and yang. Okay. You
Okay.
balance your yin and yang. One time you apply from yang portion, you transfer your energy, and one day you transfer your energy from the yin side.
Okay. For how long duration, ma'am?
Duration can be, it is very quick. You can just do it once in a day for half an hour.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
can you tell me for thyroid where I should apply?
Thyroid, it is the correspondence, thumb correspondence.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, then for the sciatic pain, that on the this thing, no, on my back side of the hand between the
Yes.
third and fourth finger.
Yes. Yes.
Hannah. And ma'am, moreover, I wanted to ask you one more thing, that my sister, she has gallbladder removed and she has a kidney stone plus she has bile duct stone. and she has slipped this problem also. So she has got endoscopy, everything done, but she's not getting results. Now, how to overcome all this? She gets a bloating feeling all the time and she cannot eat food. So she
Okay.
remains depressed and low in energy most of the time because of the pain.
See, all stone formation is coldness. Lot of
Okay.
fear is there.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, it's there.
fear. Lot of fear is there. So we have to work on the emotions. She
Okay.
needs a proper treatment. But I wanted to tell about two more leaves. In fact, about the banana stem.
Okay, ma'am.
Banana stem. It has been used for kidney stone in our group. I have not done it, but we have got results. And through the kidney, this banana stem, it has been applied on the kidney stones, and the person got relief after applying for 15-20 days. The stone got removed. And
Asha,
one more thing, the papaya leaf is used on the index finger of the left hand to increase the blood platelets. It has been used, it gives a very good result with the papaya leaves juice also. But this just wrapping around the index finger, the whole index finger, the papaya leaf, it is giving very good results for low platelets count, which is very difficult to increase otherwise. So you can try the banana stem on the kidney correspondence for the stone. But definitely the smile has to be included in the person. You inspire him to do smile meditations and get released of their emotions.
Asha Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It's a really wonderful experience we have. And I want to share one experience. Today morning, I applied my son hands. He is having pain. And उसके neck में थोड़ा सा heat भी था. तो मैंने अप्लाई किया था. And हम अभी ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे क्लास स्टार्ट होने से पहले. इट वाज रिड्यूस हिज पेन, तो एक 50% कम हो गया था उसका. वो डिस्कम्फर्ट, कल का जो डिस्कम्फर्ट था उसका अभी नहीं है.
Very nice.
And thanks a lot, ma'am. I have one question, ma'am. मेरा एक 5 months पहले मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, ब्रेस्ट बोन फ्रैक्चर हुआ है, अभी ठीक हो गया है, लिगामेंट टेयर है, उसके लिए कुछ अप्लाई कर सकते लीफ थेरेपी में?
You apply the leaf, take the leaf and wrap it around the finger which you have problem.
Okay.
You wrap it.
Okay.
You will get more energy and more strength. Apply it in a form of spiral.
Okay.
Try this and let me know. Do message me, okay? Because
Yeah,
each
sure.
time I am just following my intuition, and you know, when we get the results, so it's good. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have one doubt. हम किस लिए ये लीफ, पाम लीफ यूज करते हैं? मैंने थोड़ा सा कल ना मिस किया था क्लास. वो एक डाउट था मेरा.
It has got more life force energy and vertical energy. See, it has got more vertical energy, and I've tried. This leaf doesn't break also. Okay,
yes,
this leaf doesn't break also. I was also trying to find out that why this leaf has been, you know, and I tried with other leaves also. Somehow I did not get very good results. But yes, this is giving very good, wonderful results.
या रात को मैंने दूसरा लीफ, वो एक ब्रेक हो गया था, तो रात को हम पिक नहीं करते ना, प्रिक नहीं करते, मैंने उससे बेटे को बांधा था, मगर उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं रहा उसका. तो सुबह जब होने के बाद मैंने ये लीफ, पाम लीफ को अप्लाई किया था, वो रिजल्ट अच्छा आया, इसलिए मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे.
Yes, because I have tried this. I have tried this because as a leaf, palm leaf is best. Okay. But tulsi leaf is also given good results for the lungs issue. And we have seen that the color of the leaf changes. So when the color of the leaf changes, you can change the leaf. Okay.
Shweta.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give me this one for immunity? How to boost immunity?
Use energy points.
Okay, where is energy points?
You are not just a joke therapist?
No.
Okay, I'll send it in the group tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Darsh.
Hello, good evening, madam.
Good
So
evening.
I would like to share my experience. Yesterday, I'm suffering from urticaria. I mean, almost it is over, but still I have a lot of itching issue. So in the night yesterday, even during the class, I had Bilipatrika leaves at home. So I applied on my index finger on the top, and I could feel that my itching had reduced a lot. So
Very
thank
nice.
you for the solution. Should I continue with that, or is there any other way out?
Yes, yes, you continue. You are the, you are the creator.
Okay.
You are the
And
creator. You are already created one. So you
yes,
are the creator. Be very happy and share your experience. Okay. Never
yes,
underestimate yourself and always follow your intuition. That is the best.
yes. And I have a friend who is
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Namaskar. I am Matthews from Trivandrum, madam. Thank you
Yes.
for the excellent session. My question is about the apple seed. Apple seed, can I use the fresh apple seed?
Yes, we have to use the fresh apple seeds only.
For the constipation, where are the points?
We have to apply in the correspondence of LI.
Okay, large intestine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And in case of, I am diabetes also. In the case of diabetes,
Diabetes, you should work on your spleen. You can put corn seeds on the spleen.
corn seeds also good. Huh?
Yes, corn seed is very good. And
Corn,
now, yes,
corn seeds, matlab, popcorn.
corn means what you call it, gutta. Hindi we call it gutta. That you get
Okay.
corn cabs like this.
Yes, 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 yes.
So you use that fresh corns.
Okay.
They are very nice. And even that, what you call the thread on that corn caps, okay, the hair on that corn, you can even boil and have the tea. That is also very good to remove for the diabetic people.
Darsh.
Madam, I just wanted to ask about one of my friend is suffering from Parkinson's disease. Is there any therapy that could help out in that?
Parkinson's are actually a little chronic problem, but I have got a very good result, person in Jaipur. Okay. And mostly we have to work on the brain, spinal cord area, emotions, everything. But walnut is very good for the brain correspondence. For anyone who is having any brain related issues from the brain, they should use walnut, a piece of walnut. And I recommend everybody who are having more issues, they should use 4 pieces on all 4 areas, or at least 1. Okay.
Anantam. Anantam.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, good evening. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, we are most of the students here are not physical therapists. So I'm just asking a simple question that is there any common protocol for all of the problems? Like simply we can balance all the energies and be healthy. If
Sir,
we continue to apply leaves in some points, for all the problems, for to be healthy like that.
Sirs, you cannot be just healthy by applying. Okay. You have to work for it. You have to work on your diet. You have to work, you have to sweat every day to be healthy. You can't keep on sitting and just applying seeds or leaves and become all right. Your mind should be good. You should be smiling. You should be having smiling food. You should be smiling, exercising, So everything is balanced your body. Not only leaves can't help it. Okay.
Excellent, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Anindar Kaur.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Madam, how would we know that energy is less or more in any part?
Why you want to know whether it is less or more?
No, you said that we can balance the energy.
We can balance the energy. See, energy will be there only, but and you never anybody suffers from lack of energy. It is only excess of energy. Why excess of energy? Because yesterday I was trying to talk about this, like, moving the tube. Like there's a partial movement of the tube. Then what happens? Partially the water distributes in the pipe because there's an obstruction. So when there's an obstruction, the energy gets more because it is not getting the pathway to move. So what will happen? It will block. It will get blocked and energy is more at that point. So 90% cases, we have to reduce the energy. And when we reduce the energy, only the form changes. So that is why we are doing axial treatments. That is why when we are keeping the leaf, the excess energy will transmute. It will go from north to south and south to north. Okay. So we are just trying to balance it. It is not that it is deficient. In very few cases, it is deficient when you are getting tired. Even I have seen patients get tired because of excess of energy also, excess of heat also making them tired. So 90% energy is excess only because it is not getting the pathway. So to make the pathway, it has to be right food because the food is not getting digested. So what will happen? It will create congestion in the stomach. And stomach is your second brain. So when it is not moving from there, the gas, it is not going down, it is traveling towards your head. So it is causing anxiety. But the person suffering from anxiety is not knowing that because of the wrong food, that anxiety is coming. So it is very necessary to clear your stomach every day, having the right kind of food and roughage so that proper bowel movements, you are what you eat. So many things are dependent about your diet because God has given left only one thing on us, and that is food. And because of that only we are suffering. We are unable to understand what to eat, what not to eat, and every day we are getting worried about our food only. Still, we are not neither taking in food nor taking it out. And just imagine if God would have left our heart on us, or the liver function on us, or the kidney function, what would have happened to our body? So we have only one thing to do: eat, eat, eat. And that also we are not able to do it properly. So check your food. All of you should check your food, what you are eating. Don't be only dependent upon the... See, now Dr. Vadwan has come with food consciousness. So food also has consciousness. Food has colors. We should be using variety of colors, variety of foods, so that having balanced amount of alkaline food, then acidic food, so that our body remains healthy. If by treatment we are trying to remove the acidity, like we are removing the heat, we are removing it, and on the other side you are eating all unhealthy food, all acidic food, then how can we just balance with the treatment? I did ample number of courses. People were saying, what are you doing? How much things you can do? But I understood, unless I don't guide the patient with their food, I cannot cure them. So food consciousness is very, very important. And I did so many courses for this to understand, like, in what all way we can help the patient. Okay. So you should have the understanding as a therapist. You should have an understanding of the food also.
Next chance goes to Khushi.
हेलो मैडम, गुड इवनिंग। मैडम, मुझे ना पूरी बॉडी में इतना अचानक से बहुत ज्यादा ही गर्म लगता है, इतना ज्यादा ऐसे लगता है अंदर से आग निकल रही है, और मुझे पूरा दिन सुस्ती और ऐसा लगता है, और पैर में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, तलवों में पैर जमीन पे नहीं रख सकती हूँ, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए मैडम?
What is your age? What is your age?
53.
This is all menopausal symptoms. Okay, work on the endocrine glands.
अच्छा, तो पॉइंट बता दीजिए मैडम.
Point, you have to find out thyroid, thymus, pituitary, and adrenal glands, then ovaries. You have to cover everything. I will send the correspondence. You can start applying seeds over there.
अच्छा, तो इससे वो ठीक हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, yes. You have to balance your endocrine glands.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. बहुत.
Or you apply these leaves also.
अच्छा, okay.
Piece of leaf on the endocrine glands.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam.
Now the next chance for Ravi.
Ma'am, good evening. Yesterday, ma'am will told that today first take the class in connection with the mind problem and diabetes. Ma'am, please.
Pardon? I did not understand.
Yesterday, ma'am will told that today will be first take the class in connection with the mind problem and diabetes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You want to know?
Okay. Yes.
You want to know the connection? Okay, I will tell you the connection. People who have lack of love in their lives, they become diabetic. And the body helps them to be happy. So what body loves you? So what body is doing? Body is trying to help you by inducing more insulin so that you are happy. So it is producing more insulin for you. So you become diabetic. So start loving yourself and start enjoying life, be more smiley, and then you start seeing the diabetes, this will go down, the reading will go down. Okay, because you're not loving yourself, you are just focusing on your family or outside world, and you are thinking that you will get love from outside. No, first you have to love your own self, then only others will love you. Okay.
Sabika?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, yesterday I tried that leaf on my husband's for heartburn. He was getting after he eating food, no, from the morning he was having heartburn. He told after finishing class I applied on, like on the mouth area, on the pipe, food pipe, and on the stomach, like that I applied. And after like 1 hour he could feel the relief. Like it was fine. Like he was saying, today also you apply for me after coming from office, he has said. So so thank you so much. And I want to ask like why like some blackness on the mouth area, nearby area for myself. It whenever the winter comes, it appears more like I can see more black pigments.
Okay, now you try with the leaf on the mouth correspondence.
The same leaf?
Same leaf, yes, you try.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And you can also apply aloe vera gel from the plant. You can apply directly on the thumb.
Maybe you can say me which reason why I get this?
It is, I think it is more of heat.
Heat only? Okay. Even dark circles also, ma'am?
Actually, it depends. Dark circles, if you're not sleeping properly, you're not having proper diet. It depends on so many things.
Diet also?
Yes, yes. If the hemoglobin is less, then also you have dark circles.
Hemoglobin, I have like 13 to like, but I have throughout like for 10 to 15 years, I'm having these dark circles.
Okay, you try my protocol. Okay.
On okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
thank you so much.
Shalini?
Hi, ma'am. I have two questions.
Yes.
Firstly, I've got numbness on my numbness on my hands and feet because of I'm a diabetic patient. So how can I apply any of these methods?
You can, because you are diabetes, it is a chronic problem. You can start on the foot.
Okay.
Okay, start applying the leaf on the foot. I have seen with one application, one person felt better in the numbness.
Okay. Okay.
So this will help you. You must try.
But I'm in UK, so I don't have any leaves.
No,
I don't get palm leaf.
Okay, if you don't have palm leaves, you try directly with wire Copper wire.
Okay.
Copper wires are giving very good results on the foot.
Okay, but where in foot?
You apply on the whichever foot you are having in that area.
I get it in both my legs, foot, arms, and
See,
arms and
because
hands.
numbness is there means the blood flow is not proper. Okay.
Okay.
The blood circulation is not there.
I was told by the doctors to do with my nerves as well, because it's neuropathy.
So you should apply on the thumb. I told thumb and toe is the best place to apply.
Okay.
Either way,
On the
it is coming under hotness. The thumb comes under hotness, and if you apply there, it will cover also the hotness chakra. And you apply that wire over there, it will help, definitely help you.
So at the back of the thumb.
Both. You can apply two, one on the toe for the upper side, and one on the last joint like this. One over here and one over the last. Can see my hand.
Okay.
Actually, I'm
Yes.
unable to see my video. I don't know what has happened. So I'm not understanding what means. Is it clear?
We could see you, madam. Please go on.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So,
I can see you. Yes.
okay, see. So now one this thing you apply here, and the other you apply down. So
Okay,
there will be a
okay.
full blood circulation.
So between third and fourth finger, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the area. This is the area of the energy points also, and you can also focus on your energy points so that the energy gets distributed in the whole body. Okay.
Thank you. Sriram?
Madam, how to avoid the hair fall and the graying?
Pardon?
Hair fall and graying.
Hair fall.
Ah.
Graying and hair fall. Too much of stress, then pollution and wrong water, shampooing, everything matters. So hair fall, it is a very dicey thing to suggest.
Okay.
And you can always try this, people are trying shikakai, methi seeds on the nail directly. It is very good for hair fall.
Okay.
As we are applying methi seeds on the hair, and we are making methi oil also, you can apply directly methi on the nail. So this is the full scalp, and you apply methi seeds, or even that shikakai, Rita, what you get. People are doing all this. They're getting wonderful results.
And also you always show left hand. Why is that?
Left hand is hetero.
Hetero means?
In triorigin, left hand is hetero, right hand is neutro. And left hand, it is very easy to apply on from right to left. If you are doing on your own thing, it is very easy to apply on the left. And then you are using more of your right hand. So you have to wash it again and again. So normally, as a practical way also, I use the left hand. It gives fast results because it is hetero. And secondly, I use because it is more convenient for the housewives, ladies and all. So I usually use left hand. But this thing, you can use any one. But professor always said that we should use most similar. If the problem is on the left side, we should start from the left side. If the problem is on the right side, we should start from the right side. But if the right hand has some issue, we can use the left hand also. It doesn't matter, because we have got 4 correspondents, 2 hands and 2 foot. Even the correspondence system, what the people are knowing, they can cure most chronic issues, can also be solved out only by the correspondence system, because correspondence system is neutral, and ultimately sometimes in the chronic problems, we are coming back to the correspondence system and treating the people. Okay, so never underestimate yourself. You should your intention should be clear, and you will definitely get result.
Manasvi.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Good evening. It's a wonderful session. I'm learning a lot from these sessions. Ma'am, 3 questions I have. I usually have body heat, and my lifestyle is relatively healthy with yoga, food, plant-based foods only. And periods are regular. I'm trying for the fertility. What would you suggest?
Everything is healthy. Then what is the problem?
There is a body heat. I feel the body heat is there most of the time.
What is your age?
42.
42. How's your periods and all?
Very regular, right on time.
Okay. So you, which area you feel heat, you try to put leaves, because we need to know the full constitution, as I'll not be able to help you, but you can always try with leaves, which area you feel more heat. Okay. You try to distribute that area.
Okay, it's mostly face part, I feel.
Yes, please.
Mostly face part. Only
face
the
part. Okay, more of heat only.
Hello, ma'am. It was an excellent session. Madam, how you have to use for lungs? As lung is a big area. A problem is the lung. Where to apply the leaf? Lung, sciatica.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Madam, lungs is a big area. So where to apply for lung problem?
You can apply on the
or
lungs
sciatica.
directly over here. Directly, you can apply leaves over here. Or you can use
How
the
many?
hand correspondence.
How many?
2 leaves. You can just use 2
Okay.
pieces of leaves.
Vertical,
You can use 2
horizontal,
pieces of leaf.
spiral.
What?
He's asking vertical,
Vertical, horizontal, or spiral.
Okay. You can use vertical.
Okay. Okay.
2 vertical
okay.
leaves
For
will be good.
sciatica?
For sciatica, you
Okay.
see, you
For
apply.
sciatica?
You apply this seed where leaf on the correspondence area. Okay.
Adapala, Sri.
Hello, madam. Good evening.
Good evening.
Madam, I am suffering from diabetic. Madam, please tell me the solution. No?
Diabetes.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Your stress, your diet, and then it is we have to know the full constitution to help you. But you can use all these leaves on the areas. You can use seeds for your spleen area. Okay.
Seeds where we can apply, madam?
You have to work on your liver, kidney, lungs, all 3 areas.
Where should in hand? Where should we apply?
You apply. You make your liver healthy. You apply
Okay.
leave on the liver area.
Liver area. Okay.
Every day you should apply liver area, and you should also focus on your kidneys. Okay. You can use leaf on the kidneys and your lungs area and your liver area.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
We can take a 10 minutes break now. And after the break, I am going to give one more new therapy to you all. Okay. We'll be talking about the new thing also. It is new for us, but not, it is a professor's gift only. But I'm going to discuss that. We have forgotten that, and it is giving wonderful result. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay.